Hello guys, it's me Sharon, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple doily. It's worked up in 5 rounds. It's very easy and I know that you're going to enjoy making it. And also for this project, you will only use any hook and yarn of your choice. For round 1, you're going to make a slip knot and then chain 12. After that, work a slip stitch to form a ring, and then we're going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Then we're gonna work 23 more double crochets into the ring. By the end of this round, you should have 24 double crochets in total. After working 24 double crochets in total, make a slip stitch on top of the chain 3, and then we're ready for round 2. For round 2, we're going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, into the same stitch as the chain 3. We're gonna do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Next is we're going to chain 3. After chaining 3, we're gonna skip 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and into the 3rd. So we're gonna work a slip stitch in here. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then into the same stitch, we're gonna work 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 3 and then skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, and into the 3rd, you're going to work a slip stitch, and then you're going to repeat. So repeat around. In here, I am working my last cluster, which is chain 3 and then 3 double crochets into the same stitch as the chain 3. And after that, I am going to chain 3 for the last time. 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch into the same stitch as the chain 3. So that is what you're gonna do to get to the next round, because into the next round we're going to slip stitch our way into the chain 3. And to do that, just keep on slip stitching until you get on top of the chain 3. And then for round 3, we're going to chain 3. Once you get on top of the chain 3, we're now going to chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. One, two, three, 4, and then on top of this beginning 3rd chain of the next, we're gonna do a slip stitch, and then we're gonna chain 3 and 1 double crochet into each of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 on top, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next stitches. So I'm going to repeat. Round 3, we're going to work a slip stitch into the first chain of the chain 3 at the bottom, and then to continue with the next round, we're just going to chain 3, 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. This time we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then work a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. I'm going to chain 3, and we're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slip stitch on top of the next stitch. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to repeat this until we get back around. Right, so to end every round, you're going to slip stitch on the very first chain of the chain 3 at the bottom, and then start slip stitching until you get on top of the chain 3. So that is what you're going to do every round, and then you chain 3 into the next round, 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets, and then this time we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then slip stitch onto the chain 3, and then chain 3 and work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochets. So this is what's going to look like every time you work the stitch up, and the clusters will never change every round, only the chains. To end round 5, which is also the final round, we're going to make a slip stitch into the first chain of the chain 3, and then after that we are now ready to fasten off and then weave in the ends. So now you have your very simple doily that you can make as coasters or for a very small vase. You can definitely use any hook and yarn of your choice. I did not put the exact yarn that you're gonna use because it may vary in sizes, especially if you're using a smaller hook. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.